Promises, pressure, and public trust. What's next for Jamaica's government? Jamaica's political landscape has shifted after the September 3rd general election. Prime Minister Andrew Holness may have secured a third term, but the slimmer majority in parliament means his government is facing tougher scrutiny than ever before. One of the biggest promises on the campaign trail was to double the national minimum wage. For many Jamaicans struggling with high prices, this pledge brought hope. The government also vowed to cut income taxes and raise thresholds to ease the financial burden on working families. But with a tighter fiscal space, questions remain. Can the government deliver on these promises without straining the economy, especially small businesses? At the same time, the issue of public accountability looms large. During the campaign, corruption concerns and integrity debates made headlines. Now, with the opposition People's National Party nearly doubling its seats, Parliament will be a more combative space. Jamaicans are demanding greater transparency, stricter oversight, and real answers about how public funds are managed. The balance between economic relief and restoring public trust may define this new term. With a slimmer majority, the Holness administration cannot afford to ignore the growing call for accountability and fairness. For everyday Jamaicans, the coming months will reveal whether promises translate into progress or if frustration grows deeper. Thank you for watching.